Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open an account on Webull application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have Webull application on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and of course just open the application. So as you can see here, of course, if you have an account, just ignore this video because this video is just about opening an account. So if you don't want to open an account on Webull application, all you need to do, just go and click here at sign up. And as you can see, they will actually give you two options: to sign up with phone number or to sign up with email. Of course, choose whatever suits you. So for me, I'm just going to sign up with email. And here I'm actually going to wait a bit. Just let me go and copy my email that I'm going to use. So sorry for make you waiting. So that is the email. Of course, make sure to check this: I have read and agree terms of service and privacy policy. Click the next button and wait until it actually accept the email or even the phone number. So as you can see here, they actually send me a code verification. If you choose the phone number, they will actually send you the same code verification, but to your phone number. So let me just go here to my email and check if they send me something. So here is it. They actually send me a code. So all I need to do, just copy this code right here and come here and paste it. Okay, so I cannot paste it seems, so let me just write it down. So that's my code right here. So as you can see here, all I need to do now is just set a login password. So for me now, I'm just going to set a password, and of course it should contain 9 to 20 characters, and including upper, lowercase, and numbers. So let me just go here and type like a password that I'm using here for test so much. Then all you need to do, of course, repeat it, then click at sign up. And as you can see, here you are. That is actually your account, and you just created your account. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.